Good afternoon, good evening, whatever it is. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech, tech so honest it hurts, and today we are talking about the Norio Spotlight Cam B211. I'd like to say thanks to Norio for sending their Spotlight Cam over and letting me check it out. It is an outdoor cam, easy to install. It has, what else does it have? It's got 5 megapixel Ultra HD neural engine, 100% wire-free, color night vision, 16 gigabytes of local storage, so you don't have to pay anybody to go ahead and store your stuff for you, which is nice. 180-day battery life. That's 6 months for those of you who are math challenged. And it's got some activity zones that you can block out, IP66 weather resistant, two-way audio, Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so they sent this over and asked me to put it on my house and put it through its paces. So that's what I'm going to do. But first, we're going to get it out of the box. What's wrong with me? I need my Sharpie pen. My Sharpie pen. Not marker. Pen. Okay. So, Spotlight Cam B211. Nice soft box opening. We have cables and such in here. Here is the cam itself. It's just a little ball. It's got a peel here. Charging point sync button. Put that guy down there. Don't roll away, little camera. Don't roll away. All right, let's see what we got here. We have, stop. You're just scared the crap out of me. Stop. Got my notes on my iPad over here, and she who shall not be named started, when I said, where am I? It started telling me, and it scared the crap out of me. So we've got a little packet here of some positioning sticker for magnet bracket. We've got positioning sticker for mounting bracket. We've got a quick start guide. Good. Put that in here. We have a USB A to USB-C cable. Nice. We've got a couple of screws with a couple of anchors. A couple more screws with a couple more anchors. We have what looks like a mounting bracket. It will twist off, yes? Yes. Oh no. I got it. So yeah, you put the screws through here, and you put this on here. That's how you mount it. Got another bracket in here. This guy. Yeah, so same thing. You can use the screws, but then this guy can be, woo, that's a strong magnet. So you can either use the ball or you can use the magnet. They're both installed the same way with these mounting screws. Anchors may or may not be needed. If you're screwing into wood, then you probably don't need the anchors. But if you're screwing into something that isn't as sturdy as wood, maybe you will. This is pretty cool. 3K security cam with color night vision. It's got a 100 lumen spotlight in it, so it'll light things up. When it's dark outside, you'll get a color picture of the person that you're seeing that shouldn't be where they are. Sensitive AI motion detection. This model's 1/3 faster than the previous model. It detects all kinds of motion. Humans, animals, vehicles, anything you might like. Anything that's happening outside of your house, it catches it. The easy thing, I think, for most people is that this is 100% wire-free. You're not going to have to drill a hole in your house to get this out, put up outside. It just goes up. You can sync, and then it has a charging port here. They're weather sealed. Another nice feature of the Norio is the 16 gigabytes of onboard storage. So you can look at your camera stuff and it stays inside of the camera, so it doesn't upload to the cloud. You don't have to pay extra fees. That's a pretty nice feature. These days, they get you with the fees. Whoever they are, you buy the thing, and then there are the fees. Not so with the Norio. And you can also create an entire security system with multiple of these. If you get these with the Norio hub, you can put up to 4 cameras on that, all connecting wirelessly back to the hub. And then it's all controlled via an app. Let's go outside, get this thing installed, get the app up and running, and then some final thoughts. Got to screw in a pilot hole. Pilot hole, always good.
Welcome to Nario. Connecting to the network. Connected to Wi-Fi successfully. Device was added successfully.
So let's call it up on the old phone here. There it is, showing the sky at the moment. I need to turn it down. And there you go. A live view of my dead grass backyard. There you go. The Norio security cam also includes night vision, which is very crisp, very clear, so you can see what's going on at any time of day. It also detects people, cars, and pets. Here it has identified my grandson as a pet. It's also waterproof. You don't have to worry about it being out in the elements. As you can see here, it was out in a rainstorm overnight and it's still chugging away. This looks really great. This is a very high quality picture. Higher quality picture than the Google Nest Cam that I have over on the other side of the backyard. Very, very nicely done. You can talk to the outside. You can save a photo. You can start to record. Oh yeah, you can flip yourself. All in all, I have to say that the Norio Spotlight Cam is a very impressive product. The camera was easy to install. I mean, stupid easy to install. The app works really well, very snappy, very intuitive, and the picture quality looks great. So absolutely nothing to complain about here. Thanks to Norio for sponsoring this video and sending this over to me to check it out. I'm always interested in more smart home stuff and seeing how it has evolved, and this has been a very cool project to work on. So thanks once again, Norio. That being said, let me know what you think down in the comments. All of the products will be linked down in the description below. You can also find merch, Painfully Honest Tech merch, as well as some other things, links to my Linktree, which has the books that I've written and the music that I've made and all different kinds of stuff. You should check that out. Maybe you'll like it. I don't know. But once again, thanks so much for being here. My name is Jason, sometimes known as the JTL. This is Painfully Honest Tech. Tech so honest it hurts. Until next time, I'm out.